Alright guys, here we are today working on 2008 Toyota forerunner, and started running like you know what going down the highway. So we came up here to AutoZone, borrowed their machine, plugged it in. It read number 4 coil pack, so that's what we'll be replacing. Just wanted to show you real quick and simple, 10 millimeter here and here. So doesn't make contact. Basically reset the engine light. I'm trying not to take anything else off. Let's see if we can do it. We're working here on number 4. So what you got on this side of the motor, you got 2, 4, 6, and on the other side, the passenger side, is 1, 3, 5. So that's the pack we're replacing today right here. Trying not to take this bar back, but we can. I mean, it's not a big deal if we got to. So this bar that's in the way right here is a 12. See if we can move it out the way a little bit. Just loosen it down there too. We're gonna have to loosen it down below as well. Get it out the way. And down there. I don't remember taking this bar off. I may have had a little cheater. If you got a little swivel, you know, you can. You have a swivel, you don't have to loosen that bar. Got a little oil leak right there. Get that done later. Let's see where I can get in here on that without removing anything else. Plugger. Can you see in there? You gotta get over this way.
I know, you can see it.
You can see where I'm unplugging this coil pack? You can't, yeah. Just got her unplugged. Loosen her up a little bit. You don't have to. You can get it basically without taking everything off. Get our screw out and see if we can pull it out of there. So coil pack number 4 popped up, hot as heck. I don't see any brakes in it, but We're gonna swap it out here at AutoZone, and installation is reversal of removal. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Coil pack number 4 replacement, removal, and 2008 Toyota Forerunner SR5 V6. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Remember, passenger side is 135, driver side is 246 from the front of the motor. Hope y'all